the OK.
Your Nana's home.
Alter image.
I just.
Alter
Yeah, that's what your mom said.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're good. Thanks for letting me know that. I've been waiting for that.
Crop.
So I think we go to analyze, right? Or lane or something like that. Do we hit OK here first?
Try it. Oh. Where'd it go? Maybe you have to go down. Okay. All right. That's good. So analyze. I'm gonna give you
Add grid.
Add grid.
Or
Oh,
we-
manually.
They're all continuous shape. Do they have shapes? Add feature. No, rectangle. What does a rectangle do? Can you now box it in? Yeah. Well, make it
Together?
like drag.
Well, see, there's two. Pretend like the top band is the shifted and the bottom is unshifted, and
Yeah.
we want to
Like,
do
so
this whole
do a
analysis.
box.
Do a box in between.
Yeah. Okay. And go
Box the bottom
yeah,
one and then box
get
the
all
top.
of the red there.
Oh,
Yeah.
right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so that's the
Oh, and it gives it to you.
area, right? But now I think there's some issue about
ID
where it finds the
0,
background.
31.86.
Yes, I mean try playing around with it. Go higher. Does it give you? Does it go more? Yeah. Okay. Great.
That's making it.
All right. That's good. And there's
But
something
is
about
that just
background
that's
where
just
it
the size
finds-
of the box? How do we get the intensity?
Is that the?
I think that makes
intensity?
it.
Is that the intensity?
Make the box go up again. Like
yeah, just
extend
move
it.
it up. Oh,
Like
Yeah.
the area?
sure.
or-
Okay.
Yeah, let it go.
Keep it. All right. Good.
Let go.
Like a. Now, what if
Yeah,
you
it is
just
bigger.
Now drag
move
that
the
box over to someplace like
Yeah.
there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that is the intensity. Then.
Yeah, and if you go here, you should get 0, lower. Right? Yeah.
Well-
Oh, very cool.
Oh, so we could call that the background, right?
Right.
Right?
Yeah, it does something with the background. I can't remember
What is that in? Unit
how
size.
it.
I have no idea. Do you know what the units are? Fluorescence something. but-
Brightness points.
Pixels? I don't know.
That's interesting.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
So, okay, and then somehow you can get it to print out the things, but
Or we can just save it. I mean, we can save them as TIFF files and all that stuff.
yeah. So I had multiple squares, and I got areas in each, or numbers of intensities in each, right? And so
So can you just
Then
do
you can
four?
try a ratio.
Can you do like different boxes?
yeah, so you should be able to get another.
See if you can make 4 boxes. Add feature. Okay,
Good.
perfect.
Okay, make 2 more for the others, I guess. So maybe it's the same, different intensities, different amounts. The same.
Well, so I think this was
You should use an ellipse and get more instead of that extra background.
I
Good.
think it's fine.
Get rid of the background. Yeah, it's hard to know exactly where they end, where they begin. And this has smiling shape.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right. That's all we need.
Yeah, and so then I plotted the fraction bound. That's what I was doing. So.
Will it do that for you? Or
Mm,
no?
That looks like
No,
Excel.
I think I did, yeah. But I had it print. Let's see. Is there a way that it can print out?
It has reports.
Oh yeah.
So if you go to reports, it'll probably do grid fields, report fields, template, something. It'll probably do something. What else does it do under analyze?
Background method.
Concentration standards, what's that?
So background method, yeah, that might be important about how it figures out what the background is. No background.
User defined.
And when selected, the main background. Yeah, so it's possible that you can define a background area. So if if there's some background, it'll subtract it from it. So here they're not subtracting anything. I mean, what happens if you click these different things? They change. Oh, now those doesn't have a number. Median.
What's bandwidth
I
mean?
see.
Or border width?
I wonder if now it's considering these background, or if there's a way you can define a background with another
But the problem
box.
is, like, if you define those boxes, then I think it's saying that it's going to take the border like 1 millimeter out or whatever, right?
Yeah.
But if you've got those boxes that it's the border of that box is going to be into the next band, that's going to mess up.
Yeah.
You're going to have a really high. It's not going to be right.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to.
I mean, I'd almost go with just defining the same size box
Yeah.
in some other space and just right.
Yeah.
And just taking
just
that.
see what that number is.
Yeah, and just using that as your background.
Yeah.
So make it on the bottom.
The numbers have gone. Rectangle. Yeah, so you could do that. Let's see.
They come back when you click on them.
Okay. Okay. And so, right, it should be able to print it out somewhere. That would be the nice thing to have.
Well, I mean, you can
Heck.
save it as whatever, right? You can save it as a TIFF file or something like that.
Yeah.
I wish
What
it saved
the
it desktop so we can
settings
find
are.
it again.
Applications. I think there was somewhere where it asked you what lanes, like what, to define
go to,
what
go to
lanes they
lane.
use,
Maybe go
something.
to lane.
Oh, lane. Add a lane.
Oh, so we didn't define any lanes, so that's why it's not letting us do a report because we haven't actually defined things as lanes and stuff. Try and add a lane.
You just draw a box.
And we'll draw it over the whole lane.
Maybe we're,
Oh,
oh, I see.
I don't really care about this stuff though. Like I know we can do it.
Yeah.
So I mean we can play around with this. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, these symbols, what is that symbol? Is that view modified? I see. Add a symbol.
Background.
do not show annotations on the image. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, try that. Or no. Oh, we want to show it.
Yeah.
And there used to be here. This, you just
Yeah.
have to read this.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, so here's some instructions.
Okay, that's cool. But
Like groups, like reset, scanning.
yeah, I think we're